It's 104 degrees outside. Your fan is just pushing hot air from one side of the room to the other, and the quote you got for a split system was $2,000 before you ever felt a single degree of cold air. There's a much simpler answer to that, and it's called Blizz Air, a portable air conditioner that drops a room down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit in about 60 seconds, with no drilling, no window kit, and no installer fees. And before I get into how it works, here's a tip. The official manufacturer's link is in the description below. And with this product, it matters more than usual, because Blizz Air is not sold on Amazon, it's not sold on eBay, and it's not sold in stores. Everything you find on those marketplaces is either a knockoff or a reseller with no connection to the brand. So here's what Blizz Air actually is. It's a portable air conditioning unit that runs on frost core heat exchange technology. It pulls warm air in through the vents, sends it through dual cooling coils, and pushes back a steady stream of cold air in under a minute. You set it anywhere from 75 degrees down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and it holds that temperature even when it's 104 degrees outside. No more sticky sheets at 2 in the morning, no more bedroom that feels like an oven by lunchtime. The condensation created during the cooling process is handled and evaporated inside the unit itself. That means no drain hose running across your floor, no water tank to empty every night, and nothing to trip over. Everything stays sealed inside the machine. It also reads the room. Intelligent humidity sensors adjust the output based on the moisture in the air, which is the part most portable units get wrong. Cold air that's still heavy and damp doesn't feel like relief. This one handles both sides of the problem, temperature and humidity, at the same time. You get 6 climate control modes: low, medium, high, turbo, eco, and sleep. Turbo when you walk in and the place is roasting. Eco when you just want to keep it comfortable without thinking about the bill. Sleep when you want it running all night without noticing it's there. You switch between them from the touch screen on the unit or from the remote without getting off the couch. And it's not just a summer machine. Blizz Air is a dual-function unit. It cools down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and it heats up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit using PTC ceramic heating, which warms a room quickly and evenly. So the same unit that keeps you cool through July is the one that takes the chill off the room in November. Year-round comfort out of one box. On coverage, one unit handles a room up to 550 square feet. That's a living room, a master bedroom, a home office, most studio apartments. And it does it fast, generally in a matter of minutes rather than the slow crawl you get from an underpowered cooler. Now let's talk about the bill, because that's where this really separates itself. A ducted system wastes around 40% of its power cooling rooms that nobody is standing in. A split system locks you into a $2,000 installation before you feel anything. A traditional portable air conditioner will run you $800 or more, plus upkeep. Blizz Air runs at low voltage and cools only the room you're actually using, for cents per hour. No installer to book, no ductwork to maintain, no whole house bill at the end of the month. Recent data shows it cuts energy costs by up to 75% compared to a regular air conditioner, and running it works out around 90% cheaper than running traditional air conditioning. Then there's the situation almost every renter knows. No holes in the walls, no permanent fixtures, no modifications, which usually translates to no air conditioning and another summer spent with fans. Blizz Air gets around all of that. No window kit, no wall mount, no electrician, no landlord conversation. You open the box, you plug it into a standard outlet, and it works. The unit weighs about 4.5 pounds, so you move it from the home office during the day to the bedroom at night in under 2 minutes. And when you move out, it comes with you. The same unit that cooled this place will cool the next one. Setting it up is 3 steps. 1. Plug it in wherever you need the comfort most. 2. Pick your mode on the touchscreen or the remote. 3. Sit back. That's the entire process. No tools, no contractor, no appointment window. It's also quiet. This is a whisper quiet unit, not the constant drone you get from an old box fan or a window unit rattling in its frame. People run it while they're studying, while they're on calls, and all night in the bedroom without it waking them up. And it's built with safety in mind, which matters if you're leaving it running overnight. It comes with overheating protection, overload protection, short-circuit protection, and an anti-scalding grill on the heating side. As for what real owners say, Blizz Air holds a 4.7-star rating across more than 1,700 verified reviews, with 97% of reviewers saying they'd recommend it to a friend, and over 8,000 customers now using one. On price, a single Blizz Air is $137.99 instead of $275.98, and the 2-pack brings it down to $110.99 per unit, which is the full 60% off. Shipping is free and fast, and it's in stock and ready to ship. So one more time, because it's the part that actually protects you, the official Blizz Air link is in the description below. That link is the only place with the exclusive YouTube promotion of up to 60% off, the only place where the 30-day money-back guarantee is genuinely attached to your order, and the only place with real customer support if something needs sorting out. Order anywhere else, and you're buying a look-alike with no warranty, no traceable order, no refund window, and no one to call. 30 days to try it in your own rooms, in your own heat, and send it back for your money if it isn't what you wanted, is only worth something if the guarantee is real. Through the official link it is. That's Blizz Air. Cooling and heating in one portable unit, no installation, no drilling, no permission needed, and a power bill that doesn't punish you for wanting a comfortable room. If you've been sweating through summer because a proper air conditioner was too expensive, too permanent, or simply not allowed where you live, this is the version that finally fits. Subscribe and see you soon.